welcome back to my kitchen. I'm super stoked, pumped, excited, call it whatever you like, to share with you the absolute quickest, easiest, and most delicious recipe for honey garlic sauce. I know it's not Greek, but you know what? As far as I'm concerned, 1.5 billion people can't be wrong. And I'm going to show you with 3 to 4 ingredients how simple it can be, and you can add this sauce to pork, beef, chicken, fish, veggies, whatever you like. If you like that Asian style restaurant flavor of honey garlic, this recipe is for you. So let's get right to this. First things first, all you're gonna do is take half a cup of honey garlic. Get this? I'm telling you, this is crazy easy. Prepare to go crazy. So here we go. Half a cup of honey goes in. A 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce goes in. 3 cloves of minced garlic will go in. Boom. This is entirely optional here. A little bit of sriracha sauce for a little bit of heat will go in. Done. You with me so far? I knew you would be. Grab a whisk. Whisk this together. You don't have to do anything else to this. This sauce is now ready, absolutely delicious, ready to be enjoyed. Now, in my case here, I'm gonna make honey garlic beef balls or meatballs. So, in goes my sauce right in here. I'm telling you, this is like crazy easy. Mix it in here, form your balls, and you're done. That's all there is to this, and you are gonna have the most amazing honey garlic meatballs. Forget the ground beef. Add this to fish, chicken, pork, vegetables, whatever you like. Act as a marinade. This is gonna be absolutely fantastic. So my friends, that's it for this episode. I basically wanted to show you the sauce itself. I'm using this to make meatballs. You can use this on anything you like for the flavor. How easy is this? For more tips, subscribe. Recipes are coming out all the time. Unfortunately, it's not Greek. What are you gonna do? Like I said, 1.5 billion people can't be wrong. But the only thing Greek really is the guy that's showing you this. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. I'm Ken. It's been a slice. Bye for now.